another, bastard! And on down the line. And this is what my son will say: we're stubborn as mules with our blood on fire. When we ate at Sunday Mass, we'll look any man straight in his eyes and say, kiss my Irish ass!
What's up, guys? YouTube, Facebook, Church's Second Amendment, all the rest. I am having a great day. My buddy Vin, my road dog, there's Vin, loading ammo, brought me out to the range. And those of you that have been out here with me know the range that I'm talking about. So hopefully we're going to get to come back here more often. But I'm just thankful for getting out here today. I don't know if I'm going to do a ton of videoing or taking pictures, but as you can see, I am trying out the whole rig. So that's what I'm going to be doing today as I get my shooting on. So maybe I will take some video or whatever of Vin running the AK or whatever, you know. But I'm not worried about it. So if this is all you get, this is all you get. Tough shit. We'll talk to you later though. Have a good one. Well, it's a windy day and down went the camera. I wonder if you get to see the face plant. That's gonna be funny. Yeah, I know it's broke. Oh, and it just finished breaking. Okay. So let's see what happens. Tighten it down a little bit. That'll hold for now. And if not, the wind will just blow it over again. Because the wind likes blowing it over. Anyway, one of the things I wanted to talk to y'all out there in Tubby land about is how lefties manipulate the AK. Right? So alright, how's it going, Tubby? Anyway, landowner just came down and stole a half hour of our time. 45 minutes, right? But of course, you gotta be respectful, you know? So, bullshitted with him. Meanwhile, the whole time I'm thinking, get the fuck out of here, I wanna shoot. Anyway, I'm gonna do another little 75 rounder for Sting, and then I'm going to let Vin do a couple 30s. But thought you guys might want to watch this if you can hear it with all the wind. Wait for my buddy to get his ears in. Alright, he's got them in. Alright. Let's see here now. Trying to actually aim with a 75 round drum is kind of a bitch. You're just like, okay, when the fuck is this thing gonna end? Anyway, it's fun though. Like I said though, I'm going to turn it over to Vin for a minute. Let him have a little fun too. So, talk to y'all later. Alright, we're probably going to be wrapping this up. And just to let you guys know, testing out the rig. The rig works good. Been on me for the hour and a half we've been down here, whatever. Hear me in the wind. But yeah, so I've had a good day. I don't know about y'all. We're going to be doing some cleanup here pretty quick. We might burn through one more mag and then we'll do the cleanup and get out of here. But thanks for sharing. Thanks for joining. And yeah, for everybody who gave a shit, the rig works good. It's comfortable. I can go long term with it. Love having the water. Love having all the ammo with me. So, and you already saw the 75 round drum. So it looked good. Thanks again, Stinger. Talk to y'all later.
To start somewhere. It has to start sometime. What better place than here? What better time than now? Oh! Hell! Can't stop us now! Oh!